problems I have explained through sharing note, and some are not explained, but I have told you, you go through that. And yesterday also I have sent some questions with answer from Taylor's and Lawrence series. Expand the functions about the function, point or in the region. So if you have any doubt, you may be discuss with me. Any doubt from Taylor series and Lawrence series, and how will you determine the region, expansion or anything. If I solve the problem, if you have any doubt, you may be discuss with me today. So you have solved the question or not?
Yes, sir.
So any doubt, Anshuman?
Sir, one question answer was not matching. Means question number eight, sir.
Yesterday?
Yes, sir. Yesterday you had sent two pictures. 10 questions. Sorry. Yes, sir. 10 questions.
Wait. I have said that all the questions because all the questions I have the answer. Right, Krejik, only odd question, the answer is exist. I have told you solve the questions along Krejik along with this question, sent question and along with your Krejik. So please join. Question number? Question number 10.
Question number 8, sir. Sir, I the negative sign outside is not coming, sir. I will try it once again. Means I discussed it
Here
one
it
more.
is said, I have given the instruction 1 minus cos z by z cube. Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, it is not doubt for Anshuman, it is for all. The question is, find the Lorentz series of the function 1 minus cos z by z cube about z is equal to 0. Z is equal to 0 means in the power of z, right? Expand the function f z. Here, what is your function here? F z is equal to 1 minus cos z by z cube. So about z is equal to 0 means z0 is equal to 0. So we will find the series that is of the function f z in the power of z. So if you want to power of z, then what will do here? Denominator is z cube. So 1 by z cube minus cos z by z cube. So 1 by z cube is all right, because it is a power of z. And second term minus cos z by z cube. So expand cos z. You know the expansion z minus z cube by factorial 3 plus z to the 5 by factorial 5, like that. And so if you divide z cube, that is one first term is 1 by z cube minus z by z square, z cube, that is 1 by z square. Second term like that, power will be, denominator will be, exponent of z will be, that is divided by z cube, that is in a third term will be minus third term is 1 minus, that is 1 by 3 factorial, 1 by 3 factorial, and next will be like that. So this is the expansion of the series. So what is your answer here? Answer is given question number 8. Question number 8 is z to the power 2n minus 5 to 2n minus 5 by this. If n is equal to 2, if n is equal to 2, then it will be 4, 1 by z, 1 by z. So 2n minus this n is equal to, that is 4. 4 minus 2. 2 factorial. So first term will be 1 by z. Right?
Sir,
For
1
answer
by 2z.
1 by 2z. But here the answer is first term
Sir,
is z cube.
sir, you are taking the expansion of sin z. Here in the question it is cos z. So expansion will be 1 minus z square by factorial 2 plus z power 4 by factorial 4.
1 by sin z.
Sir, what you have just said, you are taking the expansion of sin z.
Right. Cos z is equal to 1. It will
Yes, sir.
start from 1.
1 minus z square by
Uh,
factorial
1 by minus z, that is 1 minus z cube, that will be both are cancelled.
2. Yes,
Right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So next term will be 1 minus even term. Right?
Yes, yes, sir.
Even term means that is minus a square by this. So it will become 1 by z. Then what is your problem here? What is the problem? 1 by z will faster will come 1 by z.
Sir, terms are coming all right, but in the answer there is a minus sign at the starting, sir, which is not coming. Like the
Minus sign is given.
sir, because plus
Minus
minus is
sign
fluctuate
means,
means alternating is coming.
all right. If you first term will cancel, second term will 1 minus that is x square by factorial 2 plus sq x4 by factorial 4. So the first term will cancel. So first will be minus, the term will be minus, it will take a minus comma. Minus, if you minus common, if you take 3, so all are positive. ना क्या है? If you take minus common, so
Sir, all are not positive. Minus, plus, minus are coming alternately.
so if it is take minus, that is a one term, maybe it will comes. So that is minus 1 to the power something.
Yes, sir. Minus
Right?
1 to power n.
You do it. My question and answer may be wrong. Or you should not bother about this. If you should not write in a summation form, you just write expanded form, right?
Yes,
The answer will come, that is first term will be minus 1 by z, meaning 1 by 2
1 by 2z.
Next term will be like that. You write the expanded form. You should write in a summation form.
Yes, sir.
So if there are two, if there are two series, then suppose there are two terms, then you equate the coefficient of power of z. You write the expansion of the functions 3 to 4 terms, right? So that is a 4 or 5 term you write. That is the answer. It is not necessarily you write in summation form. So question number 10 is important. Question number 10. Expand the function f z, z minus 2 by z plus 2 divided by z plus 1 by z plus 4. The particular question number 10 is not important. Like that. Question number 10 like that. So in that 3 region it is given. Mod z less than 1. There is mod z less than 4 but greater than 1. And mod z is greater than 4. So you have to expand the functions. You see the difference between question number 8 and 10. Question number 10, 8 is given. Find the series about the point or about the center, right? Or the power of z. The question number 8 like that. So it is given about z is equal to 0, or the question may be expand the function f z in the power of z, right? Or expand the functions f z taking z origin as a center. So all the three types are same, answer will be same. But question number 10, what is given? That is, it is three regions are given. You find that is 3 separate questions. Function is same, but 3 different regions in that. So first question is like that. F z is equal to this. It is not a improper integral, right? It is a proper integral because both Numerator and denominator having same power. So therefore, what will do? Suppose you have both denominator and numerator are same power, or numerator are more power than denominator. So you have to make into improper power. So you divide numerator by denominator. You know that division? Make into improper one.
Yes, sir.
The first term will be 1, then plus improper, right? Because it is denominator z square, numerator is z square, therefore you have to divide to make it into improper fractions. After improper fractions, so what will do? The first, then it is ready for expansion of that series, either it is Taylor series or Lorentz series, according to that is the directions given, instruction is given. So first is mod z less than 1, mod z less than 1 means it is the region is given, it is mod z less than 1. That means you expand the functions in the power of z. Because actually what is the region? Region should be less than 1. That is region of convergence or radius of convergence. It must be less than 1. You make into less than 1 for all the questions. It is already given mod z less than 1. So expand the function in the power of z. So apply partial fraction because denominator is your 2 factor. You apply partial fractions. So after partial fraction, one denominator will be z plus 1, another denominator will be z plus 4. So since you expand the function in the power of z, so what will do? So first term denominator with z plus 1, you make into j 1 plus z. So it is no problem. You can expand it. 1 plus z, mod z less than 1. So it will come 1 minus z plus z square plus z cube. Here mod z less than 1, it is the term is z plus 1. How you make into z plus less than 1? Into z plus 4. How you can make? That is the expansion will be mod z less than 1. How? See, if you take j4 common, from z plus 4, so what will this 1 plus z by 4? If mod z less than 4, 1, so mod z by 4 also less than 4. Sorry, 1 by, that is mod z by 4 is less than 1 by 4. Which is less than 1? Are you clear my logic?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, you have to expand the second term with the denominator z plus 4 in the power of z by 4. Z by 4. So if it mod z by 4 mod less than 1, so what is the region of convergence? That is mod z less than 4. Mod z less than 4. Mod z less than 4. Another first rule is mod z less than 1. So how will you make into both are, you see, imagine one is a bigger circle with radius 4. Another is a smaller circle with radius 1. So we will find two expansion for first term of the first term and second term with a different radius of convergence. How will you make into that is mod z less than 1? So you take the intersection of the two regions. That is you to take the smaller one. Because mod z less than 4, it is a bigger circle, and mod z less than 1, it is a smaller circle like within the bigger one. So if you take the smaller one, the intersection of the two regions, so what will you get? That is mod z less than 1. Okay. So you expand, you write the functions, that is you take first term, expansion of first term and expansion of second term. Just equate the if coefficient of different power of z, simplify. Then you write that is the region of convergence will be that is z by mod z less than 1, because you will take the intersection of these two. Right? So for second term also same that mod z less than 4, mod z by 4 you take, and this is your that is mod z greater than 1 means you take 1 by z mod less than 1. If mod z greater than 1, how will you make it to less than 1? So by z mod less than 1. So will it one series one term will be 1 by that is 1 by z, another is z by 4. Okay. For third term, third questions, mod z greater than 4. So you have to make that is 4 by z, 4 by z mod less than 1. So the expansion of Taylor series, Lorentz series is like that. So if you know the Lorentz series, you can find the that is your residue about the singular point. I have told you that the coefficient of z minus z0 to the power minus 1. That is your coefficient b1. So any doubt? Any doubt? So if you solve the question, actually it is very interesting. If you are not solved, it is a problem. That is. So now I will give you questions. You write just. You write the questions. Right. Evaluate the integral over the closed curve. Otherwise, I will send the questions through WhatsApp. Please wait. So please see the questions. Hello, Muswan.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What the question?
Yes, sir. Justin.
Hmm. Evaluate. If any student solve these questions, please raise your hand. There is option, raise your hand. Abhijit Das, Abhijit, Abhijit,
Yes, sir, I'm solving.
हाँ ठीक है मनीष कुमार द्वारा
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Solving, sir. Solving, sir.
right good Aniket Jai Aniket
Yes, sir, still trying.
good. Dinesh Maharana Dinesh,
Yes, sir. Solving, sir.
Sir, what's the answer?
answer is I whole into pi square minus 4i pi I whole into pi square minus 1 by 4. Answer came pi
No,
I
sir, still.
whole into pi square minus 1 by 4. Karan Das, Karan. Hello, Karan. Karan. Hello, Karan Das. Madhusmita. Madhusmita.
Yes, sir.
Madhusmita.
Karan Das.
Yes, sir, Madhusmita present, sir.
Nana, present you have solved the question or not?
Yes, I'm solving.
Priya Kumari. Priya Kumari. Priya Kumari and Priya Ranjan.
Yes, sir.
Solving the question or you are just you are sitting or you are not understand the questions. Priya Kumari. Hello. Hello. Priya Ranjan.
Yes,
Priya
sir. So
Ranjan.
solving. So Priya Ranjan solving.
Priya Ranjan, sir. Priya
Solving.
Kumari. Satyaranjan Ojha. Satyaranjan Ojha.
Yes, sir, still trying.
50% try or it is only you are just starting?
Just
Started the Siddharth Shekhar. Siddharth Shekhar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You have solved the question.
Yes, sir. I solved, but the answer came wrong, so I'm trying again.
Right. Just I will give the answer. You just match, or
Yes.
you again review. Right.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Check where is your answer. Aman Pani. Aman.
Yes, sir.
Solve question or not? You have
Yes, sir.
solved
Solving.
or not? The
Solving.
answer.
Sir, what
Yes,
is
sir.
the answer?
Answer is pi square minus 1 by 4. Not match.
Pi I into pi square minus 1 by 4.
Answer came or not match?
Yes, sir. Came answer.
Good. Suchiracharya. Suchira.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Answer came.
Sir, the first part I have done, I am doing the second part, sir. Partially the answer has come, sir. Minus pi I by 4 has come. I am doing the other integral, sir.
Sulogana?
Hello, sir.
Sulogana
Yes,
Majumdar?
sir. Yes,
क्या
sir.
हुआ?
Solving, sir.
Answer came.
No, sir.
Pi
Sir,
I.
I'm solving still.
You write the all everybody should write the answer. Pi I whole into pi square minus 1 by 4. Pi I whole into pi square minus 1 by 4. You write everybody. Sunil Kumar. Sunil.
Yes, sir.
Sunil.
Pi I. Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Pi I whole into pi square minus 1 by 4.
Yes, sir.
Eh?
Sir, got it, sir.
Right, good. Vishal Kumar Singh. Vishal.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Answer came, sir. Pi I pi into pi square minus 1 by 4.
Good, good. How you solve, how the answer came, please explain to me.
Yes, sir.
Please explain.
In first part, I use the residue theorem, and the poles are 2 plus minus 2 and plus minus 2 iota. Yes, and which are inside the ellipse, it is plus minus 2 iota. Therefore, I calculated residue at 2 iota and minus 2 iota. Both are minus 1 by 16. And for next part, I expanded the series of e to the power pi by z, and then calculate.
Why you expanded? Why you not apply your residue theorem and apply expand? Why?
Because it has essential singularity at 0, sir.
Very good, very good. See, I have given that questions because so for first part you have to apply residue theorem, right? For second part of this question, that is second part is z into e to the power pi by z. So if you apply residue theorem, we will not get the result because z is equal to 0 is isolated essential singularity. So only the formula for calculation of residue, that is either simple pole or multiple pole, only for isolated singularity, isolated singular points, right? But since it is isolated essential singularity, z is equal to 0, therefore you have to expand the functions in term of Lorentz series. So equate the coefficient of z to the power, that is the coefficient of 1 by z, or z to the power minus 1. Equate it, that is z will multiply with this. So only one term will come, that is only coefficient of z to the power minus 1. So that is called residue at the point z is equal to 0. So you know we will find three residue here. One is minus 1 by 6, z is equal to 2i, and z is equal to minus 1 by 16, z is equal to minus 2i. And for isolated essential singular point, that is at z is equal to 0. So you will find that is residue, it will come pi square by 2. It will come pi square by 2 because coefficient of z to the 1 by z is pi square by 2. So if you apply your residue theorem, that is 2 pi I into sum of the residues of the functions inside the domain, that is 2 whole into minus 1 by 6 minus 1 by 6 plus pi square by 2. So it will be pi I whole into pi square minus 1 by 4. So you should not make, that is you should not using calculator, you find the value of pi, then you should not give the answer in a decimal form. Just to keep like that. It will be good for you and also for me. Right? If I apply calculator, it will be a wastage of time, 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Just keep like that. So, Shweta Das, Shweta, Shweta, Shweta Das.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Hello.
I have explained the question. You have got the answer or not?
Yes, sir. First part I got the answer, but the second part I am stuck, sir. After you told I got that part, so I am doing that part.
Second part means I have told you for second part this is importance of the question is for second part because z is equal to 0 is isolated essential singularity. You cannot apply the formula. You cannot apply the formula. You have to expand. If you isolated essential singularity, you have to expand the function in terms of Lorentz series. Then equate the coefficient of, since z is equal to 0 isolated essential singularity, you have to equate the coefficient of 1 by z. That is your residue at that point. So then you apply that is residue theorem. That is integral of f z over the closed curve C is equal to 2 pi I into sum of the residues. Those singular point completely lies inside the closed curve. Outside you have to not consider. So any doubt? Any students, you have any doubt about this question? So you have solved many questions perhaps I have sent to you, but this question is completely different. I have to already explain. It is have to apply singular, that is just apply the formula for simple pole, and for second part you have to apply that is Lorentz series. Any doubt for these questions? Doubt? Samayakar? Samayakar?
Yes, sir. Solved.
You have solved, got the answer or not?
Yes, sir. Got the answer.
Good. So you have any doubt from Lorentz series? I sent questions yesterday, and some already there are many questions in your book. Any books you can see Krejcik or that book, any book available with you. So any doubt? Any doubt? No doubt. All right. So any doubt other than the Taylor-Lorentz series, residue theorem, or any doubt from the very beginning? You may be any students. I invite your doubt from the any students from the first class to onwards. So I have sent some that is WhatsApp material. How will you express your sin theta, cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta, or sin square theta, cos square theta, sin cube, cos cube, like that. In term of z, you have understand that material? Ansuman?
Yes, sir.
So you go through that. That's the 2 pages I have sent to you. How will you express sin theta, cos theta, and multiple of angle of theta or power in term of z for the unit circle? That is from theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Theta from 0 to 2 pi means it is a unity circle. It is a circle. is a circle. If you take z is equal to e to the I theta, radius is equal to 1. Therefore, it is called a unit circle. So you have got all the value of sin theta, cos theta, and like that from and in term of z or not? Samir Ranjan Sahu. Samir Ranjan Sahu.
Hello. Yes, sir.
You have got sin theta, cos theta, sin square, cos 2 theta in
Yes, sir,
term
I
of
did.
z.
Yes, sir.
Very, very good. Uh, Sahil Kumar Naik. Sahil.
Yes, sir.
Sahil, I have sent another paper that is the interview of sin z cos z or multiple of angles. That
Yes, sir.
is your FZ sin z. That is minus into plus infinity. So if it is sin z cos z or sin 2z or cos 2z, so you just equate imaginary part. If it is sin z, imaginary part of e to the right z. If sin 2z, equate imaginary part of e to the 2z. You have
Yes,
got
sir.
that paper or not?
Sir, that one doubt question, no?
Doubt. What the doubt? Oh, you
No,
have
sir.
sent the questions.
No, sir. Means
questions.
no, I have not sent, but
some students send a question integral of closed curve C sin z by that is z square something. Just I have sent the message. He has already he has solved the questions. There is some only method is correct, but only
hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. You are not audible, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
So that is a
Yes,
problem.
sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Audible, sir.
Now, so you have no doubt till now, though?
No,
Today
sir.
today is your tutor class. Therefore, I am not forget. So what materials do you send to you? That is express sin theta cos theta in term of z, or sin z cos z. You take imaginary part of e to the iz or e to the imz. So you go through that materials, right? So next class I will start your real integrations. Evaluation of real integral by using residue method. Right? Those students are not solved the question till now. Please do all the questions. So nobody will help when you come to the campus. If you have a doubt, then you clear from here, from this class. When you come to the campus for the examination, just you appear the examination and examination. Right, for all semester, only 20 days gap. I know that 20 days back gap within 2 exams. So you should not neglect this class, that is online class. So we are ready to explain your doubt. So if you have no doubt at the time, lastly you solve the questions. If you want to clear the doubt, nobody will present. After completing the class, that is your course may be finished by that is before by first March or end of the February. So already I have covered your course about 80%. Only you have, I will go for evaluation of real integral. That already have sent that theory to you. Online material, the theory already I have given in the online material. Still then I have sent one your WhatsApp message about how you express sin theta cos theta in term of z, and how you equate imaginary part, that is the evaluation of improper integral and evaluation of Fourier integral by using residue theorem or by using contour integrations. So that is tomorrow I will be start from that portions. That is evaluation of real integral. That is integral from 0 to 2 pi d theta by a plus b cos theta, a plus b sin theta, or like that, or sin theta, the function, rational function of sin and cos theta. So next class I will explain, at least to go through the materials what I have sent to you. Evaluation of real integral, your residue theorem. I have explained detail in your material. You go through that. All right, you leave the class. Time is over. You leave. Now I leave the class. If you have any doubt, you may be asked. Otherwise, I leave the class. Now I leave. Right?